Restoration or electrolysis. Hi, everyone, we are Celltronix. Today, we'll remove rust from a rusted metal. Let's start whole process with details. We'll restore this rusted motor with baking soda water and 12-volt DC power. Disassemble the motor, then mix baking soda with water. Now put negative charge of 12-volt supply to this motor and other end with any metal surface which will absorb this. Leave it for few hours until all rust came out.
A few moments later. Two hours later.
Finally, clean the metal and reassemble it.